Hi everyone and welcome to the Piano Spark method. I'm Sandy, your online instructor. We're here at the Getting Started module and reading music is easy is our first lesson. But before we get started, I just wanted to show you the materials tab here where you can download and print a little workbook which has lots of exercises corresponding to each lesson in the course. You also might be able to save it on your device and draw on your screen and do those exercises. The contents menu on the left hand side here can be closed by clicking the little white arrow there, or leave it open, up to you. Okay, and here we go. Reading music is easy. Music is written on a series of 5 lines called a staff. Notes are written between the lines called space notes, and notes are written on the lines called line notes. Music uses the first 7 letters of the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which are repeated along the keys from left to right. If notes go up or down by 1 step, they will alternate as a line note, space note, line note, etc. When notes go up, we count forward in the alphabet. Notice this first A below is a space note, so counting forward A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Notice our second A is now a line note. When notes go down, we count backwards in the alphabet, starting with A, top A is a line note, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, back to our space note A. So this is something we don't do often, is thinking backwards in the alphabet. So let's try that now and just practice it. So we're starting at top A, count backwards, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. And do that a few times and you'll get really good at it. So in fact, now we're going to test out your skills, and I want you to name these notes here from left to right, starting with B as the starting note. Remember, if a note goes up, you're thinking forwards in the alphabet, and if a note goes down, we think backwards in the alphabet. And after you've done that, you've got a quiz to do here, thinking about notes, and I'll see you in the next lesson.